morning. I heard a cow begin to moo. I need to be milked, I really do. She mooed at the dog, who began to bark. It's time for breakfast. It's no longer dark. She stamped. Actually, I heard a goat began to bleat. Where are my oats? And she stamped her feet. She stamped at the hog, who began to squeal. I'm waiting for slop. I'm due for a meal. I heard a rabbit began to thump. I want my pellets. I'll never grow plump. She thumped at the horse, who began to neigh. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for hay. He neighed at the cat, who began to meow. Meow, meow. I'd like a cuddle. I'd like it now. Nah. Moo. Meow. Nay. Turn the page. I saw a moth land in the noose of the sleepy father still in the deuce. Sleepy farmer still in the deuce. He opened an eye and said with a cry, Is that the time? Oh my, oh my. Good morning, cow. Good morning, dog. Good morning, goat. Good morning, hog. Good morning, rabbit. Good morning, horse. And duck and cat. And owl, of course. I don't have an owl. Such a happy morning, isn't it? Then she fed them and milked them. And loved this all 7. I have 7. It says, may I sleep now? The end.